Another question that we get a lot is, what is the difference between ceramic coating and clear bra? And then some sub questions to that are, does ceramic coating prevent rock chips, scratches? What are the differences? Now, ceramic coating is primarily for cleanup and ease of cleanup. And clear bra is primarily for protection and scratch and rock chip prevention. So the question that we get a lot is, will ceramic coating prevent scratches and will it prevent rock chips? And the answer to that for rock chips is absolutely not. It provides no protection whatsoever, despite what some people claim. It doesn't protect. I've seen dings, dents, rock chips. Ceramic coating doesn't protect against any of that stuff. That's a false claim. Does it protect against scratches? Sort of. So ceramic coating makes the surface slicker. It makes things stick to it less. It makes it easy to clean up, but it doesn't actually provide much, if any, actual scratch protection. So if you were to rub ceramic coated paint versus clear bra paint, you're gonna scratch the paint on ceramic coating. It will scratch. It's very thin, but if you're cleaning it up, you have less contact with the paint and therefore less likely to scratch it. You know, dirt comes off easier, so it's not as, you're not working as hard to clear that up, and therefore it will scratch it less.